Hi everybody, my name is Dana. I am a member at First Unitarian Universalist in Columbus, Ohio. And what you see behind me is part of Spruce Run Environmental Study Center that belongs to Columbus City Schools. We are here because it is the day before spring begins, and we are going to see if we can have a visitation of some salamanders overnight tonight, and we will find out tomorrow or the next day. So with that, I am going to deploy these 4 traps, and you'll see. This first one was too deep, so we have to bring it into a shallower place because the salamanders need the air. These other 2 are too shallow. We'll see if we can't fix those. Here's a view of the placement of the salamander traps. These 2 on the left I had to throw in twice because the goal is to get the hole on the end of each end submerged in the water, but the cage itself needs to be above the water so that the salamanders can still breathe. We're inside here at Spruce Run. I've laid those traps in the pool without walking into the pool so that I don't damage anyone's habitat. And so tomorrow morning we will find out if anybody has visited our traps. And then of course we will let them go. So it's starting to rain just a little bit outside, so the conditions are improving for a salamander mating dance in that pool. So we'll see. I'm going to read from Henry David Thoreau's, his Wood Notes Wild, Walking with Thoreau. This is an entry from his journal. It seems an age since I took walks and wrote in my journal. I long for wildness, a nature which I cannot put my foot through. Woods where the wood thrush forever sings, where the hours are early morning ones and there is dew on the grass, where I might have a fertile unknown for a soil around me. My pulse must beat with nature.